Hi guys, welcome back to Melanisha Detail Review. It's me Ray, and today we are going to talking about vacuum cleaner. For people who like to keep their house clean, having a proper cleaning devices can be really helpful. And that is why today we will take a look at Easine M50 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Before I start reviewing, as always, I'm placing a link on this product in the description so you can check out the latest pricing and availability for anyone who might be interested. Also, if there are any special deals or discount on this product, I'll include them in the description as well. So first, let's take a look at what we got inside the box. Okay, then now this is the Easine M50 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner by iLife. I'm going to stand up now for a while, or maybe just because it's a little bit bigger. Okay, this is the first things you got in mostly every product, electronic products. There's a manual guide, and then okay, nothing there. Throw that away. So this is the filters. I'm going to talking about the peripheral first. This is the DC charger for the docking. USB to Type-C cable. Maybe I just remove it like this. All the plastic goes there. So this is nose for 2-in-1 use. Ngang kayak gitu. And then there's another one. There's two nose you got when you buy this and package, I think. And let's see at the biggest one. So we got a power buttons, and then this is the port where when you want to charge these devices with the docking port. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to put this here, and I'm sitting down back. Okay, let's. This is all you got when you open the box of M50 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. So now let's take a look at some of these function and the design of this vacuum cleaner. It's really to help, easy to hold on your palm. And what happens if I push this power button? Oh. So I just know about this just now. Okay, guys, I think this is all for the unboxing part, and we will go to the how to use or maybe highlights these products in a few moments. So stay tuned. On how to use, I think the handheld vacuum cleaner is good for sofas, bed, car. It's easy to use, lightweight, and fits in your palm, really convenient. Highlighting these handheld vacuum cleaner features, it's equipped with a 150mm dust cap. The M50 enables continuous cleaning without frequent emptying. And there are two ways to charge this handheld vacuum. You can charge with the charging dock and cord or directly with the USB Type-C cable. Finished charging can take 2 to 3 hours. The iLife Easine is equipped with one button thrust emptying. You can easily push the release button to empty the dust cap without touching any thrust or dust. It features two different cleaning nozzles for various cleaning needs. There are bed nozzles for sofa, mattress, 2-in-1 nozzle switches between crevice tools and brush tools for corners and small gaps between furniture. iLife Easine has built-in LED lights up dark areas and corners while working to ensure a thorough cleaning. With the M50 charging on the dock next to its accessories, everything ready to be used whenever you need it. The compact design saves space and keeps your area neat and tidy. The stainless steel filters and high-performance filters of the M50 are washable and reusable, making it easy to keep its peak performance. In conclusion, my conclusion of this iLife Easine M50 handheld vacuum is a great compact handheld vacuum. This vacuum has great suction power. The LED light on the front of the vacuum is very helpful, especially when using it in your car. Alright guys, I think this is all for today and I hope you guys can find this video helpful. If so, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.